Hello mga langga! Welcome back to my channel! Ayan! For today's second video is to show you how is my baking of apple pie. Ang nakaraan, ang ginawa ko before this vlog, this vlog was live, it's like live baking. Ayan, so because I don't have a lot of time, I will make a second vlog this is now. Ayan. Later on, I will show you the apple cake that I bake. Ayan. Keep on watching mga langga. Langga, I think luto ng ating binibake na apple cake. So, we will see. We will off. Ayan na. Ayan na. I think luto na mga langga. Langga, too hot. But it's okay. I can handle it. Ayan. Ayan na. Ayan na mga langga. Ating ilagay dito mga langga. Ayan na mga langga. Oh. Ayan na. It's perfect. Yeah, brownish. Ayan na. So, this is the result, mga langga. Mga langga. Welcome. Ayan, naluto ng ating binibake na apple cake. And then now, I will going to eat. Sabaw. This is a vegetable soup. And then, my rice and bagoong. Ayan. Laging rice mga langga, kaya ako sumasexy.